What's up everybody? Good morning. This is Jay and welcome back to my another new video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to use WhatsApp in your laptop or computer and in mobile at a time. Before that guys, please subscribe to my channel and also click on bell button for my future upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Now let's move on to the trick I'm gonna show you. So open your favorite browser and now open Google. Here please type web.whatsapp. See here you can see the web.whatsapp and open the link here and you will see a web portal. This is WhatsApp web portal, and if you want you can download this. Go back here, you can see the download link. Just click on it. Here you are seeing the WhatsApp download portal. Here you can download for 64-bit computer. Just click on it. See, here you can see the download started, and already I downloaded this, so no need of installing it again. I installed in my PC. If you want you can install it in your PC, or else you can use it in online portal. First, now I'll show you how to use WhatsApp application in your PC. After installing, just double click on this application and here is the app is opening. Now take your mobile, open WhatsApp, go to the menu from here, click on WhatsApp web option from here, and a QR scanner will open in your mobile. Just place it on the QR code on your laptop, just match it and the scanner will scan the QR code. That's it. A WhatsApp reflection of your account will appear on your PC or computer. So now you can use your WhatsApp through your PC, but remember friends, you need to switch on your mobile data in your mobile, then only you can operate your WhatsApp through PC, or else it will be in offline. In this way you can use your WhatsApp from your mobile to laptop. This is the one way. And just remember, if you want to download the application, your computer must be 64-bit. The WhatsApp application won't work in your computer. You can log out all computers by using this option at a time. If your computer is not 64-bit, then you can use WhatsApp through online application. So go to the Google as usual and click on the web WhatsApp, and at a simultaneously you just open WhatsApp in your mobile as I shown previously. Just go to the WhatsApp web, and as the process I shown, you just scan the QR code so that WhatsApp will appear on your PC screen. In this way also you can use your WhatsApp in your computer without any application. So my friends, if you like this video, once again I'm requesting you to like the video and subscribe to my channel and press the bell button beside. And you also download videos, photos from the WhatsApp, what is in your WhatsApp chat history. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching my video.